Sanju Verma, it's the BJP that's being hypocritical in this particular case. It's BJP that is using the language of violence. And why didn't you ban the SDPI if you're so convinced that it is a communal organization? These are questions coming from Sanjay Jha.
Okay. I did not heckle Sanjay Jha, so I hope I will be extended the courtesy. Thank you, Madhav. Let me just lay a couple of facts out there in the public domain. First and foremost, the PFI is just a refined version, for want of a better word, of the banned terror organization SIMI. And the Congress can, try and claim credit that we banned SIMI in 2006. But the hard fact is that SIMI was banned on 28 September 2001 by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And the Congress has so much of daya and pity for terror organizations that it actually revoked the ban imposed by Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and the ban was then reimposed in August 2008 on the diktat of KG Balakrishnan, the then Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India. The limited point I'm making is that Congress, SIMI, PFI, they have a symbiotic relationship and they can go red in the face denying it. But the fact is that the Congress has been in bed with terror and terror apologists. And I will tell you why. I've been on a couple of debates ever since this Bajrang Bali and Bajrang Dal row exploded. And people have been quoting Babu Bajrangi. So let me tell you that on the 20th of April 2023, barely 12 to 13 days back, special court in Ahmedabad actually set free Babu Bajrangi, Maya Kudnani and 66 other people after a trial that lasted for more than 13 years. It started way back in 2009-10, the trial. The limited point again is this.
Right.
Which is the party which actually openly solicited support from the SDPI in the 2018 Karnataka Assembly elections and subsequently the local body elections? It is the Congress party. If you look at the statements by the Karnataka SDPI head Abdul Majid or the SDPI senior leader Elias Thumbe, they have openly said we earlier wanted to contest 100 seats in Karnataka, but we are making way for the Congress and now we will contest only in 16 seats. And Madhav, in one of your shows, G. Parameshwara, who was the ex-deputy chief minister of Karnataka when Siddaramaiah was the chief minister, on your channel, I remember on your show that you were anchoring, he openly said Congress wants the support of SDPI while SDPI cannot win. It is great at being
we have debated this story.
It is great at being a vote cutter. So I will just end in 20 seconds. Sanjay Jha made many points. I just have this to say. You want to tarnish the entire Bajrang Dal organization, which was set up way back in 1984, on the back of one Dhruv Saxena or on the back of one Babu Bajrangi, who has been given a clean sheet. But
let me come in.
But when there is a charge,
let me bring in. Yes, I have to bring in other panelists now.
Nightclub bombing.
Let me bring in Dr. Subansi Raman.
You say terror has no religion.